Hi everyone, in today's video we will solve this C program. The answer of this program is D, which is underscore 30. So I will explain you why it is 30 and why it is not compilation error, because we are not using any variables. Here we are just making use of underscore. So before that, let's first run this program on Linux operating system. We will compile this using GCC compiler. For that, let me copy this program from here, and I am connected to my virtual machine using this SSH client. Let me increase the font size. After that, I will create a directory just so that I can keep my program here, and using VI editor I will create one file main.c. I can give any name. So file is already there, let me delete it and then recreate it. So this is empty file. If I want to start typing, I have to press I, because this is VI editor. And as I have already copied the code from the website, then I can just copy paste by doing right mouse click or mouse click. I will say okay. And after this, since we are using printf, we have to include the header file, and for printf we should use stdio.h. So that's it. And one more small thing we can do, after printing the value, we can just put one blank line. So how to save it? Escape, press escape key from the keyboard, shift semicolon WQ. So I have this file ready. Where is my file? main.c. It's somewhere. I should have created this file inside Monday folder, but I missed that. But anyways, I will move this file to Monday. Then I will go inside this directory. Now I'll be able to see this file. Now let's compile this file using GCC compiler. So if I want to compile, a basic command is GCC space file name. But if I compile this file, it will produce a.out file, which is by default. It will always give us a.out. But if I want to specify some meaningful binary name, then I will make use of -o, and then I can give it some name like main.out or any extension, or even try without extension as well. So I have this file created. Let me delete the older file, which is a.out, just to avoid confusion. So I have main file, which is a binary file. If I want to check whether that is binary or some normal file, I can check using file command. So in the output you will see this executable. That means this is executable file, and this is compiled using 64-bit compiler, or we should say this is 64-bit binary. Now how to run this file? Let's run this file using like /main, and you see here -30. So basically it is giving 30 output. Now let me explain you why it is 30, why not compilation error. So let me give the line number as well. So at line number 5, you see this is single underscore, this is double underscore. So we are doing sum on single underscore and plus double underscore. So remember, in C programming we can have underscore in variable name, and if we are using just underscore, that will also fine, that will also work, no compilation. So instead of doing this, if I do like A, B, this is A, this is B, and let's see how does it work, how does it behave. Let's see. So I will save this file and then compile one more time, and now let me run it. So you see there is no any difference in the output is same. So as I explained earlier, we can have just underscore also, but it's not good practice. The variable name should be meaningful. When somebody else look at your code, that person should be able to identify what is the use of this. So this was just example. So if you get this question in any interview, you can easily find like variable name we don't need to give. We can just give underscore, and that will also work fine. So to separate the variable name, like to make it unique, at line number, at first place I'm just using single underscore. At for second variable I'm using double underscore, and for the third variable I'm using 3 underscore. And yeah, I'm using %d because it is integer. So this is what I want to discuss in this. If you have any comment, you can add in the comment box, and if you like the video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.